how to do some release and conditioning on the pelvic muscles, as well as keeping the spine stable. Okay, now following this video, we'll be doing some back specific stretches and exercise. Okay, so we start with pelvic breathing. Okay, lying down, facing up, relax the spine. Okay, now make sure that the spine is imprinted onto the mat every time when you exhale. So that's called the pelvic breathing. Alright, so breathe in, expand your chest. There's some common mistake when people breathe in and expand the tummy. We don't want the abdominal breathing, we need the pelvic breathing. Okay, so inhale, diaphragmatic breathing, exhale, imprint onto the mat. Now by now you should be able to feel the abdominal muscles compressing the whole spine down onto the mat. That's called imprinting. Now this is also a good time to practice all the breathing techniques for more advanced exercises. Inhale, expand the chest, exhale. And your pelvic is actually rotating down, okay, rotating forward as you are imprinting. So make sure you try to use your fingers to imagine you're doing the correct pelvic breathing. Now follow after this 10 repetitions of the pelvic breathing, and we go on to the bicycling for spinal stabilization. Alright, so we raise up. You can use your hands to support, but make sure that the knee joint is at 90 degrees and your ankles are really relaxed. Okay, so let's go. Imprint. Now make sure the whole spine is firmly on the floor. And we go for the bicycle. Do it slowly, synchronize the arm and leg movement. By now you should be able to feel the whole abdominal muscle starting to fire up, while your whole spine is still stabilized on the floor. If you find it difficult, we can regress to the next variation, which I'm going to show you how. Alright, it's still the same technique with your shoulders down, your whole spine on the floor. And now we're going for the bicycle. Scoop it in. Now, the key to it is actually to pull the knee all the way and scoop it down onto the floor. Now as you are doing this, there shouldn't be any feeling on the quads. So make sure that you fire your psoas muscles to do the work. You can try to go for 1 minute of this. Following after this, then we will go for the bridge. Okay, so bridge, simple. Imprint. Lift up 45 degrees up. Okay, now over here, as you can observe, my knee, my hip, and my shoulder should be in a nice 45 degree straight line. You shouldn't go too high. Okay, you should go 45 degrees up. And try to lengthen the spine at the same time. Pull your belly button close to the spine. You can hold it there, no need for additional movement. Alright, this is going to create some relief on the spine. Yeah? Keep on breathing. Now make sure it's already 45 degrees up. Hold that for 1 minute. Try to keep on lengthening the spine. Okay, if you want to go for more advanced, you can go for the marching bridge by lifting a bit up, lifting the legs a few inches off the floor and put it down slowly with no change on the hip. Okay, but if you want to hold that in the bridge position, it's fine. Okay, once you have engaged your muscles, I recommend you to go for a few repetitions of it. Imprint, exhale, 45 degrees up. Good. Slowly lower down. You can relax the pelvic muscles when you lower down. Relax. Imprint is the first step, then scoop it up. Good. Slowly get down. Imprint, scoop it up. Okay, so you can vary this 1 minute of bridge with all these 3 variations. I'll put it down. Alright, now I'm going to simply grab my knee all the way to the chest. Relax the shoulder, relax the spine. You're going to feel a good stretch in the spine. You can go for a clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, do as long as 30 seconds of 10 deep breaths. Alright, now after this, we are going to stretch your hamstring. So putting the feet on the floor, raise up. Go to the under part of your hamstring and keep on straightening your leg, pushing your leg all the way towards the ceiling. Good. Now you relax those ankles. You should be able to feel the stretch, the nice stretch on the hamstring. Alright, if you want to feel more, you can put this leg down and keep on lengthening it. Hold it there for 10 breaths. Now slowly put down this leg. Now here we go for the right. Pushing it up. Feel the hamstring. 10 breaths. Anytime if your hamstring is tight, the lower back will be affected. So we need the hamstring to be released. Okay, following after this, straighten both legs. Now using your left arm to grab the left knee, close the chest, and right arm will go to the outer part of the ankle, the left ankle, and gonna pry slightly wider. Now, the purpose of this stretch is to stretch the whole piriformis area. Okay, the left piriformis, the side buttock. Hold it there for a few seconds. Alright, and now I'm going to fold my right leg and to bring my left leg across. With your right hand at the outer part of your left knee, you try to push it down. Now we need the left shoulder to be firmly on the floor. Now you should be able to feel the whole entire gluteal region and the lower back. Now to make this stretch more effective, I'm going to use the knee to push against my palm. And I'm going to look on to the floor, or look on my left shoulder. Keep on pressing, and relax. Alright, now onto the right leg. So you begin with the piriformis. Okay, and cross over. As soon as you feel the stretch, remember to use the outer part of the knee to push against the palm and look onto your shoulder, onto the wrist. You should be feeling the nice good stretch over here as well as the gluteal muscles. Alright. Relax and get up on your side. And these are the exercises for the thoracic and the back release. Thank you.